Today we got an actual solar panel. This is perfect for our camera, that it's battery camera. All right, I set up the actual system to charge the internal battery in here, so we don't have to worry about AC power or anywhere else. But I like that they give you a whole setup. All right, they give you the actual system itself, so you could tie it up, and then the actual USB type C, micro USB, or an option if you have a type C, they give you the actual converter here. So but we're going to use the type micro USB, and then they give you the screws in here. So we're going to tie this up, and then we're going to set it up. So right now the way it works, it's you're going to have to remove this, all right, this part. You have to put this in here, and this goes over it, so you could tie it down, and it locks it in place. But before you want to do that, just make sure you screw this part in there too. So we're going to set that up and get some rays in there. So we're going to set up the panel because our camera right now, currently our camera has a wireless device here that you could plug in here in the back, and we are going to plug it in. So we are going to make sure that the both of them are set up properly outside, and then charge through the day. So we're going to put this in a remote area where battery is necessary and it's hard to get through. So this is a great thing about these systems. It's like you will not need to climb after you set this up, as long as you have a nice day, because cloudy days do interfere. So we're going to plug it in, and we're going to continue to charge it. I mean, that's pretty much how it works. You set the camera up high as you can, put the solar panel, and this is weatherproof, and it's so hardened, so strong that you're not going to be able to remove it for quite a while. And of course, we're going to put in the actual mount so we can set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, the solar panel is connected to the top, and it's gonna reflect the. We could bend this to anything you like, and then we have the camera underneath. Okay, the camera wire, it's not gonna affect anything. You could actually even cable management. You could even put the camera here, cable management, but the camera, it's gonna be freely. So we're gonna set it up on the top, see how it looks. All right, if you guys can see the solar panel, it's gonna charge the actual battery of the camera. So .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.